What to do when banned on TikTok Live? Today, I'm going to show you how to fix being banned on TikTok Live. Keep watching the video until the end without skipping to learn how. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button so you never miss another updates from us. There are a couple of reasons that you can get banned from going live on TikTok. This can happen to a lot of people if they are reported by someone on TikTok. To fix the issue, let's follow the steps. Open the TikTok app and make sure you're signed into your account from your home screen. Go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and once you're on the profile, tap on the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen. Scroll all the way down to support and tap on report a problem. Now, scroll down and tap on live and select hosting live. Tap on your specific problem. To start a live on your TikTok, users should be 18 years old and over. Users that are 18 years old and over may send and receive gifts during the live broadcast. Since this is not the problem we're looking to solve, tap on No under Is Your Problem Resolved? Now go ahead and type in your specific problem. For example, you can type in your problem like this. Once you're done, tap on Report. Within a day or two, TikTok might contact you with a solution for your problem. I hope this information is helpful. Thank you for your time today, and I'll see you in my next video.